Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting precise metadata: chapter title, authors, editors, book title, publisher, year, and page range. Once you have DOI or ISBN and a PDF, sign into your Google account and open your Scholar profile. Click the blue plus button to add a new item. Choose Add Article manually. You need the correct author order and consistent name variants so Google matches the chapter to your record. This first step prevents duplicate entries and makes discovery easier later. You now enter the chapter details precisely. Set the type to book chapter or article in a book, then paste title, authors, editors, book title, pages, publisher, year, and DOI. Once done, attach the PDF or add a stable link so Scholar can crawl it. Make sure author names match your profile variants. If not, edit them exactly as shown in your profile. This helps Google automatically merge the entry later. Save the draft and review the preview to confirm fields are correct. You finish by clicking Save and watching for a merge prompt with your existing profile items. Accept it when correct. If the chapter isn't indexed after a few days, make sure the PDF is crawlable or ask the publisher to allow indexing, and deposit the chapter in an institutional repository with clear metadata. If duplicates appear, merge them in your profile. If citations are missing, correct metadata or add a stable link. This resolves most common problems and ensures accurate citation tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.